Ken, what are you doing? You sitting all by yourself? Hey, baby. Hi. Okay, watch the ball go by. Whoa. You want that ball? Should you put it a little closer to you? You almost got it. You almost got, oh. Dang, took it. Throw it for Tank. Throw a ball for Tank. Yeah, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Throw it for Tank. You can't throw? Oh, no. When did that happen? Oh, oh dang it. I can't. Everyone's so sad. Cannon can't throw. But he can sit. He can sit so good.